This countdown timer template will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Novecento font is required for this template. I have also included the font. Let me show you how to edit this template. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import the template. Now select the template and place it on the timeline. Here you can change the circle stroke color. Change inner circle fill color here. You can control inner circle opacity here. Here you can change the timer duration. You can change the template position and scale from the effects control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.